Hi everyone, it's me, Lakin. Just got in from Wild Wings downtown Savannah tonight. It was open mic tonight. Crowd was thin, but we all had a good time. I mean, everybody knows each other, so whenever we're all together, it's a good time. Quick night, didn't feel like partying, so came in, had work in the AM, bills to pay. Saturday, I'll be at the Bluffton location for Wild Wings with Permanent Tourist, and I think we start probably around 10 or so. Not exactly sure. I think it's 10 to 1. So if you're not doing anything Saturday, come out and hang with us. It'll be a great time. Now I'm going to do a quick snippet of Michael Jackson's Human Nature, one of my favorite songs, and maybe I'll do another one before I go to sleep. And well, I'll just quit talking now and we'll start singing. Looking out across the nighttime, the city winks a sleepless eye. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs get me out into the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way? I like living this way. That's it. Quick and easy. Maybe another one after that. Have a good night.